Good morning. Well, we had a lovely night's sleep, didn't we?
We did.
Lovely spot here, very peaceful. Yeah, I thought my phone fell off the bed into the boot, and I thought somebody was knocking on the back of the van.
So shut me up.
I did. I got him up. I said, somebody knocking. There's somebody knocking.
So I'm leaning out the front door, shouting out the phone, hello, and putting the main beam on the floodlight above.
In his boxer shorts.
In my box.
But it wasn't, was it? It was my phone falling the boot.
I've had a morning of doing data transfer. We've just relaxed here. It's so lovely here. I mean, if it was just Shell and I, we'd probably stay a couple of nights here, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
And just take Freya for some walks around this area and then just come back and have some tea and watch the sunset again. But it's not, so we've got to move.
Like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
I'm thinking it might be a bit deep here, but there's a rope swing out over the water, and there's also a ladder up the tree to get up to the branch, so they may jump in from here, and it looks like there's some tench down there bubbling. I bet it's a lovely spot here for fishing, if you're into fishing. That bridge was pretty cool. Oof. It does look like it goes deep here. It looks like it's a deep pool. There's some woods up there. What a spot though. Are you going to get your cosy on and get in?
You've got swim socks.
I did buy some. I know, but if I do it, he'll want to do it, and then there's big rocks just there if he doesn't make it out, and it does look quite deep, and if you look at the current, it is moving, so it's moving slow on top, so I'd imagine it's moving a bit faster underneath because it's coming off that bend there and then expanding out. If it was just me, I mean, it looks like they climb up there and jump in, so it does look deep. I'd like to speak to someone local first. The rope swing would be all right, but swinging out to jump in, I don't think that's going to be right for Boris. Hello, robots. But it does look like a wild swimming spot, doesn't it?
It does. Careful, you. Don't you be going in.
We'll carry on up the road. Just stopped in a little village called Bellingham, or it's a village, isn't it? But they've got a show on this weekend by the looks of it. Bellingham show.
Yeah, tractor.
Look like tractors and countryside type stuff. The pub's busy on a Friday. It is Friday, isn't it?
Yeah. We'd definitely get out and have a look at the show, wouldn't we, if it was just you and I?
We would.
Right, is it in?
It's just a water bottle fill up. So yeah, we'd go to the country show if it was just Shell and I, but Maximus wouldn't want to walk around the country show. He wants to drive the van and he wants to go to the river. But that's fine, that's his holiday. We get to see some absolutely stunning sights as we're driving around, and we've tried to show as many as we can. There he is.
Toilets, I'll keep them all the time. Just keep them tight.
So this is Elsdon,
Elsdon, yeah.
and this is the village hall.
Village hall.
And your name is?
Oh, mine's Billy.
Billy, and I'm Graham Billy.
That's the disable. If you wanted the key, you give it the key in there. You got disabled toilet and shower, and then you've got gents, ladies through there. Point through here. Simple as that.
Amazing,
and
honestly.
And most of this is created because of that.
Yeah, the donation box.
People put donations in, and all of a sudden you can spend the money and improve the place, you know.
Yeah. So
what we got here, there's no outside tap there.
Yeah.
Just down there.
Oh,
It's not powerful.
No, it's there.
Water. And also, you see these manhole covers here.
Yes.
I'll just lift.
Go on, yeah.
This was my design.
So it just lifts out.
Lifts out.
So if anyone needs to empty the chemical disposal, the loos.
There's the main tank.
Right.
There's the main tank. So if you lift that one, just pour it in there. You're not blocking any drains.
No, you're going straight into the main tank.
And that's just a septic tank.
So rather than worrying about trying to find a place and not being able to use the loo,
just there's a facility here.
let's let the tractor go past.
So you know, if anybody.
But you've made it accessible, so someone can come and empty the loo, flush it through, fill the water up if they need to, and leave a couple of quid in the box.
Exactly.
I know you've done it.
All I say is be careful.
Yeah, don't fall down the hole. You're not accepting any responsibility.
If you fall down the hole, yes,
but
it would be rather sweet.
But the gate lifts off, and you can go in and do your loo.
Yeah.
And
you can water, so there's everything there. So there we are.
You can have a shower. You can get the key from the lady and gent.
There, or if you catch me here, I've got a key.
You've got a key as well.
Put them back in the letter boxes.
Unbelievable.
Just covered back in. So what we do there with the donation box, you get money in, which keeps the facility going, which is what we want.
Yeah.
A few volunteers to keep clean and keep it sorted and that's fine. I mean, I'll be back in tonight to have a check, everything's okay, cleaned up, and it's ready for the next ones. But anyway,
coming back to tell you about the facilities.
I can't believe it. What a breath of fresh air.
John's another one that goes around the village, and she'll try and catch people and things like that. As I say, we're just trying to get people to use what we've got here.
Well, I was just saying, my wife's washing her hair now in the van because we've got self-contained. We can do it all in there, but she would have nipped up there and done up there.
Would have been nicer up there. There you go.
Unbelievable.
Last time I saw you.
Anyway, I was going.
All the best, yeah.
Anyway, nice
Thank
to meet
you very much.
You take care.
Wow, what a breath of fresh, what a welcome in Elsdon. And yeah, you can camp on the car park in the village. It's as you come through the village, you come past the pub and the church and past the village green, and there's a car park here. Up at the back there's the village hall, and there you've got, like Billy just said, you've got chemical disposal. He's made it available so you can just lift the manhole cover and dispose of your chemical waste. There's a tap there so you can fill your tank and do your fresh water through your loo. And then there's also loos available in the village hall, and there's a shower available, and you can pick the key up either off Billy himself or from the house over the way there. The rest of the UK, this is how it should be done. Welcome people, and people stop and spend money in your pubs and your shops and in your village. And they've got a village fete here on Sunday. It's flabbergasted. What a breath of fresh air! What a breath of fresh air that is. Yeah, they've got recycling, they've got litter, they've got some picnic benches, they've got a nice place to stop, and top chap. Lovely to speak to. So this is Elsdon. Little footbridge from the car park where we're at. Little brook running through the village. And 3 people have been over now and said about the toilet and the shower facilities at the village hall. And I'm just walking up to the pub now to they do takeaway. If you want to sit in the restaurant, it's a bucket and sit down meal job. Which would be lovely if it was just Shell and I, but not so good with Maximus. He doesn't want to go and sit down in there. He likes his own space and doing his own thing. So the village green is just setting up for the summer fete. So the gazebos are out, and that's on Sunday. And Shell's been in the church already. She says it's beautiful. What a lovely church. There's a car coming. I'll walk up this side. Got lost in there for half an hour. What a beautiful little village this is though. And you look over there, or over there. I'll go past. Or back that way. Stunning. So we're treating ourselves since the villagers so kindly treated us. We've got a takeaway from the Bird in Bush, Elsdon, and that's the menu. You can order anything off the menu for takeaway. Yeah. I'm going to walk up and get it now before it rains again because it's very changeable today. Off I go again. This is how it comes. Maximus has got his mac and cheese and garlic bread. You got 2 garlic breads, and then I got the pie, and I got chicken, mushroom and leek pie, it looks like, veg and chips I got. So you get your pie crust in a separate container, so it doesn't go soggy. You don't end up with a soggy bottom. And chips are lovely. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat it because I'm starving. Oh, you get veg as well. Thanks for watching.
And if you want to support us, give us a like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's the best way to support us is please.
Costs you nothing.
Yeah, it's free. Please like, subscribe, and if you can, share our videos. We'd like to grow our little channel.
Just wanna stay in this moment, forever be, in this moment, forever be.